Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how we plant spinach in a container. Here's a clip from the show. All right, we are here in the garden, and these are my 7-gallon pots, and we're going to grow spinach in this, and then when the spinach is done, we're going to transplant our cucumbers into here. So what I want to show you today is how I plant my spinach in the pots and get them mulched and watered in. So first we're going to start with, I have one tag, and I'm just going to put the tag in one pot just so I have a date. And the reason that I want the date is if I mess it up, I can go, oh, that was a week too early, or that was a week too late. But if I don't have the date, I can't remember if I need to back it up or go forward. And then that information I take notes on in my garden journal. So it's just a really great way to do that. So to plant this, I take and I draw 3 lines like this. So these lines are about 3 inches apart. And then I'm going to take my spinach seed and I'm going to drop it right down the row. And I'm planting this fairly thick. There's a seed about every 1/4 inch or so. And the reason I want to do that is because some of the seeds might not germinate or something might happen. And I'll never get the time back if I don't plant it thick. I can always thin it and take some plants out. Okay, and then once I get that in, I want to just cover that up, just knock the soil back over it so the seeds are about a 1/4 inch down. And then this is just some fresh grass clippings. I want to mulch this because we're in our nice lightweight sandy loam soil. It does tend to dry out a little bit on top, so I want to mulch that to help hold the moisture in. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10 Week -4. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.